What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens. I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make money with Maxbounty step by step. Now this is gonna be great for beginners, people just looking to get started with Maxbounty. Maybe you have an account, maybe you haven't applied already. If you want to apply, it's a great network to apply to. You can click here, become an affiliate. I also go over some of the FAQs, such as when affiliates are paid, which is on a net 15 basis for the first month only once you reach that $100 threshold, and then after that they will pay you after you reach that $100 threshold on a weekly basis. So great payment terms, and the threshold is only $100. Most of these CPA networks, you have to make $500, $1,000 just to see money back, and then they're paying net 15, net 30s. So guys, I'm telling you, this is great terms for beginners out there who are looking to start with CPA networks. Okay, so you can go over some more of the FAQ on their website, but I just wanted to show you guys that they have a good reputation in the CPA marketing community. Like, they don't scam people, they're gonna pay. You can read some of the reviews here, people posting payment proofs, things like that. You can look up payment proofs here just to make sure, because yes, you do have to be careful with some of these affiliate networks. Some of these places will scam you, okay? So just make sure you do your research before you apply to these CPA networks, but Maxbounty is not one of them. They're definitely gonna take care of you once you go over there. So let's just dive into how to actually make money with this network, okay? Because they actually have tons and tons of different offers. As you can see here, these are all, let me go to the categories. You can see all the offer categories that they actually have available for you. And I like to start with like CPLs. You guys know I love CPLs. They have download offers, got email submit, sweepstake offers. So, you know, I like mobile traffic, I like social traffic. So guys, I'm telling you, this is a very, very good network if you're into those type of offers and you're looking to really get started seriously with CPA. You know, a lot of people, y'all start with like ClickBank and these affiliate programs like Digistore and stuff like that. But what you want to do is you want to get with the CPA network, because guys, look at these type of offers. You can literally get paid per lead. So just somebody filling out their simple email address or a simple form or something like that, and you're literally getting paid like good money, right? I literally run only CPL offers and my whole life has changed. So, I mean, take with that what you want. Okay, so let's just dive into making money with Maxbounty. So first things first, you're gonna need a BMob account. Now, why do I say BMob? It's somewhere where you could get started. I know volume is like 150, 200 bucks a month or something like that. They raised the price a lot, guys. It was just 89 bucks like a year ago or a couple years ago, something like that. But now it's not, it's like double the price now. So I say get started with BMob. And what you want to do is you want to come in here and you want to add your affiliate network. So you're going to come here and you're going to say new from template, right? And once you do that, you could come in here. Oh, you could actually see it. It's on the front of this affiliate network template. You could click Maxbounty right here and then next. And they already have the click ID right here. What you want to do is you want to grab this Postback URL right here, and then you want to click save. All right. So once you have that, what you want to do is you want to go into your Maxbounty affiliate portal, which is going to be over here under global Postback. And once you click global Postback, you'll be here. You want to go to URL campaign tracking, and you want to put your Postback tracking URL right here, right? So after you do that, I like to just go ahead and delete this because I don't really care about the extras on there. It doesn't really matter to my stats. And then you want to save that, guys. And once you save that, what you have just done is now you have set up your tracking to coincide with your CPA network, because this is starting off CPA the right way. You want to track. A lot of people, y'all just grab your affiliate links straight from Maxbounty. You just throw it up onto the traffic source, but you don't want to do it like that. Okay, guys? All right. So the next thing you will want to do inside BMob, guys, is add your traffic source. So I'm not sure what traffic source you want to use. I already actually have one added, so I guess I'll just stick to that. But if you want to add another one from template, you could click here. You can see all the different traffic sources and places where you can get traffic. Facebook. I don't think they're partnered with TikTok, but you could try to add TikTok. I don't think they actually have a template for that. But guys, anything, Google, Bing, Microsoft Ads, Bing Ads, Google Ads, you can add all that from the actual template, okay? So once you have your traffic source added, which I actually have Zero Park actually added right here, you do have to make sure like your Postback from your traffic source is in here. So make sure your putting your postback correctly within here, and I think you find that in your actual account settings. So this is Zero Park, and they actually give you the postback URL. So you'll copy this and you'll actually place that within your traffic source postback. So remember, you need a postback for your traffic source, and you need postback for your URL. The postback for your traffic source is basically to send your traffic costs, how much it's costing you, back to the tracker. Your postback for your affiliate network is to send back any conversions, clicks, and everything like that, like all that information, right? So that's what postback means. It's not really confusing. That's all you really need to understand about that. So once you have all that information passed through, it's time to build the campaign, guys. So let's just go to new campaign. Let's name this campaign so we know it's sweepstakes a day. So sweepstakes a day. We're gonna be running this on mobile through Zero Park. The country is going to be United States. So you can kind of see how it's going to look, how it's going to be named within your dashboard. So any other optimization that you may do within the campaign, so say you run it in on a specific operating system or browser, I like to add those things here as well. So let's just say I wanted to say Chrome browser, iPhone. That's how I would actually name this actual campaign, right? So from there, what you would do is leave all this alone. Looks good here. You want to go to built-in flow, and this is where you will add your landing page and stuff like that. But we don't have a landing page, so we can just turn landers off. And what we want to do is just add an offer. So we already added our offer right here. So this is basically going to be, this campaign is only going to send them straight to this offer. It's like a direct linking type of campaign, right? So you want to save that. And once you save that, you'll get access to all your links. So you can test out the campaign link right here. But this right here is your actual campaign URL. So this is the link that you will give to Zero Park or your traffic source to make sure that you're tracking correctly. So you'll place this in the destination URL, okay? You can just add this manually. It's not gonna really mess anything up. It's just the free plan. It doesn't give you the S. I don't know, a BMOP thing, but you just add the S there. It has the click ID, everything. All the parameters are already kind of selected within this BMOP link because you already selected Zero Park, so they already kind of know what to track for. So conversion, payout, auto. You select your country here, so you can only run it in the United States. So you'll run it in the United States. Non-adult traffic. Mobile only. I think I said we're doing iPhones. So turn iPhones off just for test purposes. I like to kind of test pretty tight on this type of network. And I said Chrome browser. And yep. And carrier traffic Wi-Fi. I'll do carrier traffic only. You can go all carriers, or you can even optimize for specific carriers within this network. So really, really fire. Zero Park. Run off network. Do the suggested bid here. Campaign budget, daily budget. I like to do these at $5 because traffic is really, really cheap. As you can see, it's almost like 2 cents a click. So I like to buy traffic smoothly and just review everything at the end of the day. But I set up multiple of these campaigns every single day. So you know how I just segmented it for basically like Chrome browser only, iPhone. So now if I wanted to, you could do Chrome Android. Or if you wanted to, you can come in here and you could do Firefox and iPhones. Like, so you could do 5 to 10 different campaigns at $5 each, spending 15, 20, 30 bucks a day, getting segmented traffic, and whichever is performing best, bring you the most conversions. That's how you do it, okay? So buy traffic smoothly, you save and continue. Source daily budget. So you can put a daily budget on the source. So let's just say $1. We're gonna be a little strict here. Or you could do 2 times the offer payout. So what you could do is go back here. You could just say, okay, it's $1.60 a lead. So yeah, if I spend $1.60, or you could say if I spend $3.20, then stop running on that source or something like that. And that's kind of how I like to do it. I like to kind of go 2 times the payout on each thing, but I'll just put $1 just for these purposes. And Let me also show you guys how to really optimize these campaigns. So once you're getting those source IDs, which the source IDs will be popping up in your report, so you'll be able to come here, run your actual report, and then you'll be able to see all the different source IDs. So you'll come in here, you'll do source, and you'll see which sources are converting for you, which targets are converting for you. You can even add the source plus, and then you can optimize for all these different things. So you'll stack them all together, right? With the different browsers, if you're not separating your browsers, or operating systems, if you're not separating operating systems, you can even do device types and stuff like that. If you were like combining it all, that's just like a simple one-on-one optimization. Make sure you're coming in your reports and you're stacking these different ways to kind of pull out profit and see which elements within your campaign are actually profitable. You just save this. I'm not really gonna run this, so I'm not really gonna name it or anything like that. But I just wanted you guys to really see how it's possible to make money with Max Bounty. Set up your campaigns. I literally went through step by step how to set up a campaign, how to add your offer, how to add your traffic source, how to add all that, because that's what you need to do to be able to start making money. You don't want to just grab your affiliate link and then start running it. Like, make sure you pick a good traffic source and start testing effectively and reading your reports. That's how you're going to gain the info to be able to optimize your campaign to profit, right? And that's the process of CPA marketing. And this is how you make money with Max Bounty. So if you need more help on this, of course, I offer like private coaching if you want like one-on-one help, and for a limited time only, I'm offering a done for you service. So for those out there who want to work alongside me, and we can pick out offers together, be like a strategy call type thing where we go over what offer you should run, traffic source you should use with this, setting up the campaign, landing pages, ads, the whole nine, just building out a campaign together, because I know a lot of people do need help with that, just getting started and things like that. So I am offering that for a limited time. Don't know how long I'll be offering that, but take advantage of that while it's up as well. Or if you just want to go straight private coaching, where you want to get access to my academy and be able to talk to me on a week-by-week basis, we can do that as well. But that's all I got for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.